Time for another technical chart analysis review by Sensei Crypto. This time we're looking at Velo3D. And now on with the video.
Thank you, Martin. Yes, let's have a look at VLD Velo3D. So thank you for tuning in. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe, as I'm going to give you my long-term, short-term and mid-term targets for the low-risk and high-risk areas. High-risk areas to be selling and low-risk areas to be buying for this stock. So please do hit the like button and I'll keep you updated on the stock as we go through. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. So Velo3D. We have been having a look at this stock over the last few weeks, and what we did identify was nothing too significant, but it was a trend line. It's not the cleanest trend line, but it will give us a direction of how the stock is going, and we drew it. It's this green trend line here, and we broke from it, and that gave us our first indication that the trend is changing. So on the short term, the trend has changed. We have gone to the upside. For example, in the last 15 days we're up 120%, so you can see what a direction of trend changing does do for a stock. The earnings is in 2 days, so we might be able to cover it. If anyone wants to give a super thanks in the comments or come into the show tomorrow, we'll have to see if we do have a slot available, but it might be interesting to see the earnings report in 2 days. And see how that affects the stock. But our target on Velo3D has been 92 cents. There has been one thing in the way of getting to 92 cents, which is these two moving averages. Now, I only use two moving averages in my long-term trades, and it's the 20 and 21 week moving average. And we're just at that point now. So that moving average is between 51 and 61 cents. We are at 54 cents. If we break 60 cents, I am definitely looking for the target of 92 cents, and that has been the target as it has been used as support previously. So we're looking to see if it's going to act as resistance, the 92 cents, or we're going to go past it and we're going to start looking at some further areas. We have looked at it in the past where it had this trend line to the upside, but it broke below it, so the trend was no longer bullish and it actually turned out to be negative, and that's why we have these trend lines. So far we have a steep trend line to the downside in the last few months, but finally that trend line has changed, and now we can see if we can start moving up to the upside. My target is, as soon as we break these moving averages at 61 cent is where the 21 week is, I'm looking to hit 92 cents on this stock. And that's where my first level of selling would be. If I wanted to buy the stock, I think the buys are too late. If we do get a rejection from these moving averages, I guess if you really want to get in the stock, maybe 46 cents, which we also did hit on Friday, or you could, if you don't mind missing out on the stock, then 32 cents would be my next buy zone for Velo3D. That is my thoughts. We are overbought on the weekly RSI, but we can stay overbought if the momentum is good. If the earnings is good, then do expect 92 cents. You might want to put some limit orders there to sell. If the earnings is bad, you might want to put some limit orders at 32 cents. And if the earnings is really, really bad, you might want to have your limit orders set at 20 cents as well. So good luck to you all. Leave your comments below, and we can keep you updated on the Velo3D technical side. I'll pass it back to you, Martin. Thank you.
Thank you, Sensei. Another great job as always. If you'd like further information, click above my head, down below in the description, or over here and over here, I'll put more information. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.